8 ஊரு எச்சில் ஊரும் லிஸ்ட் இருக்கு கையில. எங்க ருசிய அடிச்சுக்க சாப்பாடு எவனும் செய்யல. 8 ஊரு எச்சில் ஊரும் லிஸ்ட் இருக்கு கையில. எங்க ருசிய அடிச்சுக்க சாப்பாடு எவனும் செய்யல.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're back with another cooking video for you guys. We're going to be making the perfect juicy ribs. Dun 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 dun. So for this ribs you need
quite a lot of ingredients.
not that much, but you do. So first ingredient is honey.
Honeybee.
Most important ingredient to make the meat tenderized.
We're using
To make the honey to make the meat tender.
We're using Billy B.
Next up, important ingredient salt.
Pepper. Some turmeric.
Garlic and ginger.
Since we like ours spicy, we're gonna be putting in some chili powder.
And we're going to be using two types of barbecue sauce. The first one is the Diablo. I don't know how to say it. It's a smokehouse barbecue.
It's a buffalo one, I think.
Is it?
Diablo.
Okay, buffalo barbecue sauce. It's from Irresistible.
And then this one is just like the original barbecue sauce.
So a special ingredient that we use for this barbecue pork ribs is the Korean barbecue sauce.
Yes, you're right. We
Special
use
ingredients.
a Korean barbecue sauce.
So it does give this like kind of like sweet taste to it. So without further ado,
Let's
get
get
to
right
the video.
into the video. But before that, make sure you click the subscribe button and make sure you like the video.
You better like our video before we squirt this on your face.
So I have the ribs right here. I'm going to be cutting it in between the bones.
And here's your knife.
I don't need this. I'm not going to be cutting it with this. Like this. So it's all cut up by magic.
Of course she used a knife, but
No, I didn't. I just did
So,
magic.
next, we're going to be putting all of this in a bowl, obviously.
We have more here.
Okay.
Ribs. Ribs. Ribs.
We're actually going to put this into the bowl.
Can you get me a fork? Because I don't want to be washing my hands.
I'll do it. It's fine. We'll do it. It's fine. First, we're going to be adding turmeric. And then salt. You gotta do it like the right way. Okay. I don't think I did it right.
Okay, you're dropping the salt. Okay, next we're gonna be putting some lemon lime juice.
I think it's lemon juice. And pepper.
And then next,
We'll be linking, we'll be putting in the description the measurements and everything, so you guys will know how much we're putting into the ribs. And then we're adding some chili powder.
she thinks she's the pro. Let me just. Why are you using a spoon? Let me just use my hands.
Okay. Next up, we have honey. Adding honey to every food, or maybe like
Not every food.
Like, you know, like
She doesn't know what she's saying.
like
Clearly,
anything
she doesn't know
like
how to cook.
any like baked goods, like not goods, like meat. Adding honey will make
Baked goods.
baking like come on. You know what I'm trying to say? Baking meat, add honey, the meat will be tender. Is what I meant. Someone just wanted me like criticizing me.
We add a lot of honey.
Just so it's nice and honey tasting. So
These
now we're
days-
adding Korean barbecue sauce. We
Well,
have the
can you wait?
brand of Lee Kumki. Can you wait?
I have to-
Kumki?
To all the town people, you know what cook.
Kumki means.
Cookie. Wait, don't put it. I have to mix this first.
Mix it all up.
Can you get me a fork? Because I don't want to be washing my hands.
I'll do it. It's fine.
I'll do it. It's fine.
So I mixed everything up. And this is how it looks right now.
Currently. So next up we're adding ginger and garlic.
Very important ingredient.
You can go ahead and blend this in a blender, or just chop them up. It's all up to you.
And I'm just gonna give that a nice mix.
It smells really good already. It's all
Can you guys
cooked.
smell it? Here, smell it. There we go. Smell it, smell it.
Now we're adding Korean barbecue sauce. Can I add?
Yeah.
So it's 1 teaspoon.
We'll put the measurements in the description below if you guys want to try this out. Well, I highly recommend that you guys should try it out.
Do you need more?
Yeah, I need more.
So that will be probably like 4 tablespoons. Or more.
And you can get this Korean sauce anywhere at your local store.
Like Walmart, Food Basics. You can also make this without it too. It would be totally fine.
It's just optional.
So now we're going to be adding the real stuff.
The real stuff.
So this is like a 2-level spice barbecue sauce.
Diablo.
Diablo.
Squeeze it. It's not coming.
Oh. All that in there. So now for the original barbecue sauce. Another good thing about this is that you can actually dip the ribs in this.
And it's so good.
It's really good, guys. I think I have to go back and get some more of this.
This smells really good already.
I think that's enough.
Of the Diablo, no.
No, it's already juicy enough.
Yeah, we need more of the Diablo.
Do we even know what we're making?
Yes. Making the perfect juicy ribs.
Gosh.
Don't be shy, put some more. Don't be shy, put some more. Okay, so that is done. We need more salt.
I was actually thinking that.
Oh my god. So what else are we missing? Oh, some sugar.
No, we have honey for that.
And also,
So now it's ready. You can either cook it right away, but if you do decide to cook it right away,
keep it for like at least 30 minutes.
yeah, keep it for 30 minutes. But remember to cook it on slow so that way all the juice and the sauce gets into the meat. But we've decided to keep it overnight.
That's the top secret.
That's
Keep it
the top
overnight.
secret. Overnight is the best results ever. So we're going to be coming back tomorrow with the ribs, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're back! We're finally here with the ribs overnight, sitting in the fridge.
There's juice inside. So we will show you guys. We wrapped it up, but this is how it looks. It smells really good.
And it's ready to be cooked now, so we're going to go ahead.
We're gonna give it a little mix and then cook it. Professional speaking here. So I'll actually show you guys. Okay.
Okay, so now it's ready to be put into the pan. We're actually not baking this today. We're going to be cooking this on the stovetop.
That's another secret too, guys.
Slow cook, always.
Always.
So now I'm going to be cooking this in 2 batches. So this will be the first batch. And remember not to add any oil at all. The oil and the fat of the ribs will be cooking it on its own. The juice to the ribs. And then we'll come back and show you like in between results and the end results. And yeah, you can see like the grilled marks and charred marks on the ribs, which means almost ready to like
I just wish you guys could smell this.
It's like so good.
Look at that.
Look
You
at
can
that.
tell that it's juicy too. So
Look
nice.
at the cheese. Look at the cheese. Oh my god, I'm dying. It's almost close to end. Just a few more couple minutes and then we'll get to the serving. Our ribs are done. I'm so excited, guys. Like, literally,
I love
look
ribs.
at
Look at that.
this. Looks so good.
You can see. Oh my god, look at that.
I guess enough. You're making them hungry. You're making them hungry.
Okay.
So she's gonna go ahead and try this, and so am I.
It's hot.
It's like burning hot, but I'm just gonna try it. I forgot that I have braces, guys. If I hadn't have braces, I would have ate this peacefully. But now I have to like eat in a way that I don't get like, you know, stuck into my braces.
It's really good.
That is so good.
You guys should try it.
That's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed our cooking video today.
And if you guys tried at home, please let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you guys.
And also, if you guys want us to try any other dishes, please do let us know in the comments below. We'll definitely get to it and make it.
Yeah, we'll make it. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified when we post new videos.
Thank